What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Blink here, Blink Baby or Cass. Today I'm dyeing my hair orange. Also, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications. And yeah, I'm basically just gonna speed this process up and show you guys what it looks like to dye hair that's not the blondest. It's light. I feel like it could be lighter, but this is what my hair looks like right now. And I'm gonna keep the roots how they are right now and see if any of this color takes to it. I'm using the Sunset Orange Arctic Fox. So I'm gonna do this, film it all, and yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Alright, so I just brushed my hair out. This is what it looks like after it's all brushed. You can see in the back, like the flip. So I'm gonna start dyeing it, yeah. Alright, for up. Now I'm gonna leave this in for like 30 minutes and I'm gonna show you guys after I rinse it out and get the frick ready for my day. I'm gonna see what it looks like with makeup on and stuff. I think I'm gonna really like it. Hippie long stocking, the freckle face, redhead girl, you ought to know. So this is the finished result. Sorry, my arm's a little messy. This came out really, really good. My hair, as you saw before, my hair was a darker blonde. I only bleached it, I think I bleached it once or twice. It was a pretty dark color. It was orangey, so that's why the color still stuck to it. Again, I left my roots, but I personally like the way that dark roots look with the orange. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit what it looks like. Yes, it could have been brighter if my hair was lighter, but it really stuck to this very well from far away. It's still very vibrant, very fun, and I'm definitely gonna stick with this color for at least a few months. I think I'm gonna, as my roots grow out, I think I'm gonna bleach my roots and just continue to keep the orange for a little bit. I also need a haircut soon, outfit, but yeah, I need a haircut soon. All this is pretty much dead, not gonna lie. I haven't gotten my haircut in over a year, but I told my mom I was gonna dye my hair orange. She told me not to, so I felt like I had to. Just like when she told me not to pierce my eyebrow, like I had to. That's the end of this video. Highly recommend this product. Highly recommend this product. My hair came out beautiful and it's not dry. I didn't shampoo it. I put a little bit of coconut curls in it afterwards. And yeah, I'm not gonna wash it for at least like 2 days. I mean, I'm probably not gonna wash it for like the next week, to be honest, because I don't be washing my hair like that. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a like if you want updates and if you want to see me continue to work on my hair. I know you guys like my hair videos. I posted my Fanola No Orange shampoo video. If you want to tone your hair, that's a great product. Watch that video. That'll be linked down below and at the end of this video. And follow me on Instagram down below. DM me on my personal account or my art account for custom art. Visit my website at www.blinccreative.com for one-of-ones and any creative pieces that I drop on the site. And yeah, that's it. I'm also gonna link my SoundCloud below so you can listen to my music. But that's it. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.